SDO's Atmospheric Imaging Assembly, or AIA, captures a shot of the sun about every 10 seconds in 10 different wavelengths, each meant to showcase different layers of the sun with different characteristic temperatures and ions observed. 94 angstroms is meant to capture flaring regions of the corona, 131 flaring regions of the corona as well, 171 quiet corona and upper transition region with corona loops, 193 corona and hot flare plasma, 211 active regions of the corona, 304 filaments and prominences, 335 active regions of the corona, and then 1600 transition region and upper photosphere, and 1700 photosphere. Bright areas highlight places where bundles of magnetic field lines are concentrated.